My people, we don't come again. The voice of Biafra, the best way they hear his voice, and I became that dead. And today, now, short message and to our people, because some of them they say, make we know they do long one, make we just compress everything. Something they get some things we no fit compress. Like the Roga one. Well, everybody don't call about this Roga, all the phone call. People even they threaten. Some people they enjoy them. But this one about what happened on the 5th or 6th of this month, where one young man from Sky School Story Building jumped out from Malaysia. So now why I want to talk to our brothers where they and sisters where they Malaysia and the other parts of the world. This is not the first or second or third time we this here say police they pursue people they run from police, they jump down, they kill themselves. We won't beg you. Before you leave your home, see the travel. You get people, your mama, your papa, your sisters, your brothers, even your babes, where you leave behind, we want you alive. They want you alive. And these people, they expect you to come back. Now, I know say some of you na shame. They make you, as police, they pursue you. You say if they catch you now, they go send you for prison. From prison, they go deport you. Then people go, they talk, say, waiting you don't achieve. Now those shame, now they make many people, they go, they kill themselves. So we won't beg you, say, your life would be important to us, even we no know you. Because if we don't know you today, we will know you tomorrow. No kill yourself, no they commit suicide. The first message where we give out this year for this studio now about suicide. We dey beg people say make them no commit suicide, no matter the condition where you stay. Because that time when you won't commit this suicide, will be the time where the breakthrough they come. If police they come, they chase you, instead where you go jump, go and meet police. If not prison, go to prison. Enter inside, come out. Because to be successful means to be alive first. Now be success. See sleep, wake up, say be successful. Now be number one. When they hear say people they successful, number one for there be say then they alive. You must be alive to be successful. Some people don't jump out. They know that thing affect their spinal cord. Then they wheelchair today. Police come go inside, come out. No be dead. And with the beg on away they outside, I beg, try to keep your hands clean. Try to do things where they legit. I know saying a condition they make crayfish bend. If you don't make that small money, invest for legit, leave street alone. Because now the street they make you they run from police. No billionaire where they this world, where they into all those things. Go and check all of them. Now legit. When they talk of Ale Baba, big heads. All these guys now legit. Now legit where the billions they, no be for street. So if you get something from street, leave street, enter legit. Even if na buying and selling you this. Even if the only toothpaste you decide to sell, you know say people go to brush it every day. You go survive from that place, train your children. Now, that prison too fit be a way where nature won't talk to you. You won't make a begin them people will go prison, will become great people. I know if you want begin call Mandela won't be saying no thief now. Now because he the fight for his right. But what of Malcolm X? Malcolm X na thief with thief. They send Malcolm X to prison. But now that prison transform Malcolm X. You can become one of the greatest leaders, one of the greatest influencers in the world. Even up to today, if you see any radical black American, na Malcolm X influencer. Now from prison. Even this young boy, this young man, what is his name? The boxer. The boxer, the one we just lose the other day, Anthony Joshua. He go prison now. He was remanded in prison. He did the idea when he begin change his life. In fact, he dey lucky because na 14 years when for go because of drug. You want make I begin they call great men and women wey go prison because they commit crime. No, they were no one call people where they fight for their independence, where they fight for their rights, where they send to jail. People wey thief. But from there they come out become great musicians. They come out become great writers. They come out become great engineers. They come out become great lawyers, great doctors, great teachers. Now from there, me I know somebody will be saying that for prison where go learn IT. As in there now. If they work for job for city and if they make serious money. Now from that prison. So that prison where they run to because you commit crime, where you prefer say you go kill yourself. That place will be place where fit change your direction, make you who you be. I know motivational speaker now for prison when they come change his life. So instead where you go kill yourself from, I beg no kill yourself. Hand yourself to prison, now go inside, come out, no be death sentence. You go come out. Change your mindset the day that inside. But as you come out, say make you no go back to that thing where you go back. We dey sympathize with the family of those guys, especially the last one where I don't even want we begin show his picture. I dey feel sorry for his family, the brothers, the sisters, and everything. Say their brother will go there, na dead body they go bring back. So now here we go sport. Now this advice now not be only for people in Malaysia, but everybody will dey anywhere because the suicide rate also dey too much for our land. No kill yourself. There is hope. Now here we go stop today. Take good care of yourself.
Ebeka unusi Biafra. Ebeka unusi Biafra. Gama vapu Biafra. Gawe bozo gabibi. Agama vapu Biafra. Gawe bozo gabibi. Biafra gadi.